Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the printing issue when you are attempting to add a printer and it says that Windows cannot connect to the printer. Operation failed with error 0x00003e3. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it. Select as. Now in the registry editor, you just need to expand the HKey local machine folder and expand the system folder and expand the current control set, and now expand the control folder, and now you just need to search for print folder. Click on it, expand it. Now you just need to expand the environments folder, and now expand the Windows x64 folder, and now you just need to expand the drivers folder, and now you just need to expand the version -3 folder, and now you just need to click on Microsoft enhanced point and print compatibility driver. Click on it. Now you just need to know the file path location. You just need to check it. After checking it, on right side you just need to search for printer driver attributes. You just need to double click on it, and you just need to change this value data to 1 and select OK for save changes. Now you just need to close it off here. And for the changes take effect, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to search for print spooler service. You just need to double click on it. Set the startup type to automatic. If the service status is running, then stop it and then start it again. And now select apply and OK for save changes. Now close it off here. Now hopefully your issue has been resolved at this point guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.